Guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine, and today I want to share with you my haul. It has been such an interesting weekend. Our niece just got married. We have family over, so I was able to get all the deals together and share them with you guys. So sorry for doing it a little bit later than usual. So here's a quote I have been applying and I love. This one says she was unstoppable, not because she did not have failures or doubts, but because she continued on despite of them. So what a cute quote to start the day or just get ready for the next day since it's already almost nighttime. So I'm going to share with you guys my haul. This haul, I needed to take advantage of some CRTs or ECBs that I have that was for $29. So this haul was a little bit big, and in total everything was $220.86. So everything you see in the picture, it would have been over $220, but my total came out to $22.86. I should be getting $15 in beauty rewards, so I feel like this was a pretty good haul. So let's just get started. Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. I'm going to start doing a transaction. This transaction I'm going to try to reach almost $30 since I have ECB that I did for the Black Friday deals that I got back an ECB of $29. So I'm trying to do one of those transactions, and the first one is going to be getting one of these lotions. And the first one I'm going to get, they only have one for $9.79, and then the other one is the $11.79. So together that should be $21.58. And as you know, you need to buy 20 in order for you to get the 10 ECB. We're going to be using some printable coupons. I was able to use these printable coupons. These printable coupons, you need to go to the website and you share the information. And if you share, then it will be $3.50. So I'm going to use two of these. I also have a CRT of $150 for these lotions. So I'm going to be paying for these items about $13.08. So I'm going to continue with this transaction. So the next thing I want to do is for the Nexus items. This one spent 20, get 10. As you can see, there was only two of the conditioners. Those are the ones that I grabbed in the store. They're $11.29, so I purchased two. I'm going to be using two of these printable coupons. Check your app in case you did select them and they're still available. And then I'm going to pair this deal with this CRT, deducting 4 off 20. So my total would be about $22.58. And deducting the $10 manufacturer coupon and the CRT, it should come out to $8.58. But getting back that 10 ECB, it will be $1.42 moneymaker. So the last deal I'm going to do for this transaction is getting the L'Oreal Lash Serum as well. There was only one left. This one retails for $14.99. I don't have any manufacturer coupons, but I'm going to be using some CRTs. I'm going to be using this 2 off for the Paris Lash Serum solution. Then I have another one for 4. And then I'm going to use this one that has 5 off 15 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics. This counts as cosmetics, so I'm going to be paying $3.99 in the register after all these CRTs. But I should be getting back a 5 ECB, making it free and moneymaker. I did share this deal in my best deal video. I love getting these vitamins. I don't see the coconut oil here, so I know the one that I did mention was the hair, skin, and nails. And this one here retails for $18.79. I do have a CRT that deducts 4 when you spend 18, and the deal for this is you spend, I believe it's 15, you get 10 ECB. So this one is going to come out to $18.79 minus the 4 CRT. then it will pay $14.79, but we should be getting 10 ECB, making it just $4.79. So I'm gonna be doing this deal that says spend 30 on selected P&G products and get 10 ECB. So what I'm gonna do is buy 3 of the 15 Pantene, which is they're here, but remember there's some that are 3 for 12. I'm gonna be doing the one that's 3 for 15, and the reason is because I have this CRT that deducts 4 off 14, so this will be perfect since I'm buying 15. So I'm going to be using this CRT. And guys, this deal is easy to do because all the coupons are digital. So just make sure you go to the CVS app and select all these coupons. So I selected the Pantene. That's going to deduct $5 when I purchase 3. I am loving the new packaging of the Head and Shoulder. I think they look so cute. So I'm going to buy 2 of these, 2 for 12. There, as you can see, the regular price could be $7.59 or $6.99. I'm going to get 2, and I'm going to use another CRT that I have that does say $2.50 for Head and Shoulder. So I'm going to be using this CRT, and also in the app there is a coupon deducting 5 off 2. Then what I'm going to do is buy the herbal essence, and that's across. This one doesn't have the sign, but I'm going to select 2 of these as well. They should be 2 for 12. And for the herbal essence, I also have a CRT that says 2 off 6, and there is a digital coupon deducting 5 off 2, so that's going to really help bring down the total. This was a pretty good deal because in everything that I purchased, it came out to $39. So this will be perfect for the beauty ECB. So I should qualify for that. But one of the ECBs that I did, one of the CRTs actually that I shared with you guys, did not go through. There was problems. But luckily, I have a CRT in my app deducting 3 off 12 for hair care. So that did go through. So once you purchase all those items, and most of the CRTs went through, the $4 for Pantene, the $2.50 for Head and Shoulders, and that 3 off 12 for hair care went through as well. So now I ended up paying $14.40. I got back 10 ECB, but I should be getting 3 for beauty reward, making all of these items $1.50 or just 22 cents each. I'm going to be doing another Nexus deal. This is going to be for another card, and since I told you I did one deal getting the conditioner for $11.29 and they only had 2, so the next deal I'm going to do is buy an item for $21.49. I'm going to be buying the conditioner for $21.49. I'm going to be using just 1 coupon deducting 5, and that's the CRT deducting 4 off 20. I should pay $12.49, but I'm going to get back 10, making it $2.49. And the good thing is that this qualifies for the beauty reward. So we have L'Oreal is on special, buy 30 get 10, and I really want to take advantage of these CRTs that I have. I did a similar haul last week for using these 2 CRTs, so I'm excited. And there's a printable of 2, and I believe I have 1 in the app, so I'm going to be able to use these. I will check if they're still available. So I'm going to be using 1 of those. What I'm going to do is I'm going to purchase the L'Oreal Age Perfect Hydra Nutrition. This one's for $20.49. I'm going to buy 1 of those because I have this CRT for any L'Oreal facial care, and then I have this one that it has to be an Age Perfect moisturizer. So then I'm just going to try to see if I could use another CRT. So since the CRT did mention it had to be that type of moisturizer, the Age Perfect, what I did was I purchased 2 different ones that were both the same price for $20.49. So that came to a total of $40.98. I used a printable coupon, and then I used 1 from the app. It went through with no problems. I used those 2 CRTs of $7, and then I used 1 of those $6 that I share. So I ended up paying $16.98. I got back 10 ECB, but I'm going to be getting 3 for beauty reward, making each item $1.99, which is crazy because they're going to be $2 while the original price is $20.49. So we're going to be doing this deal. This deal is also a digital deal, so just look in your CVS app. There should be a coupon deducting $3. It deducts 5 when you buy 3, and there's one that's been there for a while, deducting 2 off 1. So I'm gonna use those 2 since I'm gonna be buying 4 of the Pro Health. So it should deduct those $3 and the $2. And once you buy 4, it should give you back 3 ECB for each, or for every 2 that you buy. So they should be a nice, at least $1 money maker. For this deal, it was selecting a different coupon that's digital that is deducting 6 off 4. So it wasn't deducting the 5 and the 2, which is the ones that I really wanted to go for. These are older. They have been there in my app a lot longer. So they canceled the transaction and they started again. So I still purchased the 4 Crest Pro Health for $2.99 each. And the digital of $2 did show in my card, but instead of the 5 digital, it showed a $2 digital. But I know that was an error. That shouldn't have been. I don't know what happened. Once we saw the receipt, that's when we saw that. So it should be a 5 and a 2 digital. So you should be paying $4.96, but you will get back 6 ECB. That's exactly what we got as well, because you're going to be getting 3 ECB for every 2 that you buy, and it's a limit of 2, making this free for all of them, free, and $1.04 money maker. So I love this deal. This is also digital. As you see, there's some of these PNG and the Crest were all digital, so it's easy for you guys to do. I didn't use any CRTs for oral care because I didn't have any, but if you have any CRTs for oral care, this will be a really nice money maker. So guys, this is the end of my haul. I did a few transactions because I wanted to take advantage of those ECBs that are about to expire, or they were pretty high in value. But this is my complete haul. It was $220.86. In coupons and credit was 107, so we ended up paying 113.86. We got back 84 ECB, and our total came out to $29.86. But we had a beauty ECB that we used, and also another CRT that it does $4 when you spend 20 in any haul. So we took advantage of that, and that's why our total came out to $22.86. But in beauty, we spent almost 160, so we should be getting back at least $15 worth of beauty rewards, which that's just free money, just because we spend money on beauty items. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, for your support. If you really enjoyed this video, you could give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching and for spending some of your time with me watching this video. So until the next video, bye.